The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Allegheny County, Northern Westmoreland County, Southern Armstrong County, Southern Indiana County, until 3:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m., the National Weather Service received reports of a large and destructive tornado located in Wilkinsburg. This dangerous tornado was located in Wilkinsburg, or 6 miles east of Pittsburgh, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing quarter-sized hail and gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wilkinsburg, Churchill, Monroeville, Wilkins Township, Plum, Murraysville, Leechburg, Vandergrift, Apollo, Spring Church, Avonmore, South Bend, West Lebanon, Chillicothe, Elderton, Whitesburg. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.